Palaki ng palaki yung mga cactus. Lalo na to. Pero siguro kailangan ko tong ilipat sa mas malaking paso. No, Bubi?
No.
Hindi ba? Paano siya pag
Hindi siya lalaki ng sobrang laki eh.
Ganun?
Oo.
And dala kami ni Mark sa sarili namin spoon and fork.
Oh.
Kasi ang hirap kumain doon. Sobrang flimsy.
Sobrang lambot ng spoon and fork.
Yeah, we're on our way. This is the yum. Lemonade. Saan kira sa squid mo?
Pwede ganyan din.
Yung kay Mark, yung giant squid na sobrang well-known ang layer, di ba? Sarap? We're at Block 513. Yummy! I've been waiting for Block 513. Ilang araw na. Ay, finally! Pero sarap yung akin.
No, mine.
Excuse me, kakasaya mo lang ako sa akin, di ba? Sana may branch na malapit sa Fort. Sana mag-open sa Fort.
Magtayo tayo ng branch doon.
It's healthy too. We got a package from Maybelline. So many stuff. Mga ano yan, mga makeup products. And then we'll be filming more Maybelline tutorials soon. Ilagay natin to sa, again, sa pile natin ng mga film there. Mark and I gonna do laundry. Sunday night laundry. Oh, by the way, napanood ko na pala yung Riverdale episode 4. Grabe si Miss Grundy. We're back from doing laundry and now we're having lunch. Itong lunch ng Delish Diet. Sa akin yung kasama sa 1-2. So, ang pinakaiba lang niya, mas madami ng serving yung kay Mark. There, if you can see that. So, first agenda for today, we did the laundry kasi kahapon nga hindi kami naka-laundry since sobrang daming tao. And then, after this, I have to go film a couple of makeup videos. Tapos nun, Mark and I are gonna jog and then run some errands and then, yun. So, I just finished filming a video. Now, Mark and I are heading out to jog. It's gonna be an everyday thing lang, guys. And we're doing something with Delicious Diet PH. And we're so excited! Before running, we're gonna eat the cookie. Ito yung snack ng Delicious Diet. Ano siya? Espresso, no? Nami. And I just finished transferring files. Ang grabe yung ano ko, desktop ko. Oh, nakakaloka. I'm wearing the foundation. We'll see at the end of our run kung mag-melt ba siya or not. Yung anak ni Ningning. Kamukhang-kamukha niya, oh. Oh, hi baby. Where's your mommy? Where's your mommy? It's okay, it's okay. There's Mark doing push-ups. Go baby. Hi kitten. Oh, the cutest baby puppy. Hey, where? I'm carrying Mimi's daughter, I think, or son. Narinig mo yun? Nakatingin siya kay Mark. Lang si Mark. Hey, don't bite me. You're biting me, baby. Here's our meals for today from Delicious Diet. So again, the 1/8 calorie meal plan is for Mark. So ito yon here. So medyo mas madami sa kanya. So ito yung breakfast ko, and then kay Mark is 2 patty and then mas madaming rice. So if you want the 1-2 calorie meal plan, ito yung sa inyo. Pero same lang naman yung snack. Ang nagkaiba lang is the, ano, ang nagkaiba lang is the amount of the food Bongga, we're gonna eat. Tinatago namin lahat muna sa ref. Siyempre, to save it for mga meals later. Uy, bubi ko kayo ng lemon for drink, please. And orange. Orange. Si Mark yung squeeze ko. Ang hirap kasi mag-squeeze. Kailangan natin yung metal squeezer na ganun, bubi.
Hanap tayo.
So, welcome back to a new vlog, guys. So, we haven't updated you guys, pero hindi na kami tuloy sa Boracay from March 3 to 7 kasi nagkaroon ng problema because of the radar shutdown. Na-push yung flight namin pabalik ng Manila 2 days late. So, hindi pwede yung kasi may important na meeting ako that I have to attend. So, ang ginawa namin, nag-refund na lang kami ng full ticket amount. So, i-refund yun. Grabe, naghintay pa ako dun sa hotline ng Cebu Pacific. Nag-spend ako ng 170 pesos. Yung pala, sumasagot naman pala sila sa Facebook page nila. Nakakaloka. So, yun. Maayos naman sila kausap sa Facebook page, sa messenger nila. So, that's all good. Napa-refund na namin. Kasi kailangan dapat yung una, i-rebook namin sana to an earlier flight back home. Pero wala na ng tickets because of the radar shutdown. So, sabi ko, okay, cancel na lang. Or refund na lang. So, makakapunta ako sa mga YouTube event ng week na yon. Plus, meron tayong super important meeting with L'Oreal. So, I'm so excited for that. Yun. Today, we have to run errands. Booby.
What kind of error?
Hindi pa tayo nagbabayad ng Meralco, ng tubig. We have to film. Yun. We have Netflix on right now. Kasama ng breakfast. Yummy goodness! Woohoo! Sa akin tong Hogarden na glass. Kay Mark naman yung YouTube glass. We're here at Pinkberry getting one small Pinkberry and then one parfait. Yummy!
Tsaka may chocolates.
It's so hot today. Bubi, no? Ang init ngayon.
Yeah.
So I have my trusty pamaypay. It's so hot. Chose dragon fruit and mango. Original pa rin. How's your yogurt, mahal?
Yum, yum, yum.
So, I just got a pair of shoes from Stradivarius. This is for the pre-party ng Influence Asia. I got the perfect one. Kasi ang theme ng party is futuristic or holographic. So, we're gonna go get some tops. Mark and I are downstairs, finally home. Bumili kami ng mga stuff. Mamaya mag-haul tayo, bubi. We're having tea. Dito kami sa baba nag-tea kasi si Mingming nakita na namin. Kala ko namatay na siya, grabe. But she's here and we're feeding her. And then I also got some water for her. Ayan. O, diba? Kumakain na siya. Pero yung kitten niya, hindi ko na makita, no? Yung kitten. Sa kaya niya iniwan. Baka dun sa plate. She's drinking the water! Yay! Good girl! Ba't tumigil siya? So cute! Alin dyan yung unit mo? Ha? Alin dyan yung unit mo? As usual, hatid niya kami pa uwi. Come on, darling! That's so sweet, Mingming. Sexy lumakad. Okay guys, we're back sa taas. We're gonna do a small haul. Okay. First, pumunta kami na, okay, sa Watson's muna. Gusto kong itry ito, medyo TMI, pero I wanted to try the Sophie Comfort Night. Ano ba to? Napkin. Ha! Okay naman siya. 16 pads siya, 1 pack. 130 plus lang. And mahaba siya, so no leaking problem, whatever. So, meron tayong tissue. Essentials lang from Watson's. Tapos, we went to Stradivarius. Ito yung binili kong shoes. Diba? It's very futuristic. Kasi nga, ang tawag dito? Silver? Tawag sa kanya? Something like that. Size 11 to. It fits me perfectly. So, that's perfect. It's on sale. So, mga parang 1.1 na lang or 1.2 na lang ata to. And then, we went to H&M. Naka-sale din si H&M ng mga stuff nila doon. I got this one. Another oversized top. So, ito yung itsura niya. Jersey type. Mahaba siya. Tapos, sa side niya may ganito, oh. Ganda, no? I like it. And then, yung isa naman, And then yung isa naman, ganun din, 1,190, 500 pesos na lang. Ang ganda pa ng material niya. Parang velvety. Love it! Mayroon pala nag-deliver ng watch ng isang araw from Watch Republic sa Esprit. So nice. It's from their new collection. I'll wait for more information about this. Pero super nice yung watch. Look at this, guys. Ganda, no? Love it. Thank you, Esprit! Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Tomorrow we have 4 events to attend to, so sobrang dami. I have to go edit and then we're gonna go sleep. See you tomorrow. Bye!
Bye.